Autism Science Foundation is dedicated to supporting people with autism and their families by funding scientific research to understand the causes of autism and to develop better treatments. At ASF, we believe the greatest gift we can give our families is innovative autism research that will enable individuals with autism to lead fulfilling lives with dignity. We do this by searching, solving, and sharing.
Since our founding in 2009, the Autism Science Foundation has funded more than $5 million in autism research.
Autism Science Foundation supports real cutting-edge research to really transform not just our understanding of the causes of autism, but actually transform treatment.
We believe that providing early career scientists with the funding to explore the topics they are passionate about is critical to retaining exceptional talent.
Young investigators bring new ideas, they bring new approaches, they force us to be honest.
These young investigators are the ones who are going to do some of the most exciting, highest risk, highest reward research.
We need research that's going to help families get through not only an early diagnosis of autism, but autism throughout their lifetimes.
Our advocacy helped result in The Lancet calling for use of the term profound autism and recommending that more resources be devoted to this underserved and vulnerable population. As the COVID-19 crisis dragged on, ASF continued to fund research through our COVID-19 grants to help understand the unique experiences of families during the pandemic.
We accomplished all this while still supporting other projects, including the important Baby Siblings Research Consortium. This is a collaboration of more than 40 researchers and clinicians from all over the world who are all committed to searching for the very earliest signs of autism in infants. Also, our SAM-SIB Stick Together initiative, which is a collaboration between ASF and ELS for Autism, it presents research findings that focus on siblings and disseminates resources available for siblings of all ages.
The next Gen SIBS project will study the children of those unaffected siblings to see if we can uncover early warning signs in that population.
Everything this organization does is targeted to finding the best evidence-based practices to make my family's life better and all the families affected by autism.
It is more important than ever for the Autism Science Foundation to share information with families and with the community at large. We do this through our website and our award-winning weekly science podcast, led by our own Chief Science Officer, Dr. Alicia Halliday. These podcasts spotlight the latest and most important news in autism science. She also publishes her year-end summary, which distills the most significant autism discoveries and relates the news of the past year.
Additionally, Autism Science Foundation funding led to 36 publications in scientific journals. This will allow these scientific discoveries to be shared with a wider audience.
So the Day of Learning helps families because they're getting up-to-date information from the experts themselves in lay terms about some issue and or research in the field that's of great importance at the time.
I don't have to question the validity of what they're telling us, so we can trust it.
The Autism Science Foundation has just a stellar reputation. People recognize it as being driven by the science and only the science.
With 1 in 44 children now being diagnosed with an autism spectrum disorder, we need your support now more than ever so that we can continue to do this important work and fulfill our mission of improving the real lives of real people.
The community at large needs to provide support to the Autism Science Foundation because this foundation provides the leadership that we as a scientific community require to ensuring that we address the most important topics to the families that we all are committed to serve.
Please donate today at autismsciencefoundation.org.